Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to start with the new topic fractions, grade 6 chapter number 7 fractions. If you are new on my channel, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also to click on the bell icon so that you will get notification for my next video. So let us start with today's topic, that is what is fraction, what is the use of fraction in daily life. So this is Sia. Sia felt hungry, so she brought one pastry and she ate the whole pastry. So one pastry, she ate the whole pastry. After some time, she brought one five-star. She opened it to eat, but at the same time, just she was about to eat, one of her friend came to her place, and now there are two persons and one Cadbury. So what Sia did, Sia divided this Cadbury in two equal parts, and one part she has given to her friend and one part she ate herself. So total number of parts are 2. Out of 2, both of them got one part, so that is half. Suppose instead of one friend, if two friends came to her place and now Sia, so number of persons are 3 and the Cadbury is 1. What Sia did this time, Sia broke this Cadbury in 3 equal parts, and each part is given to one friend and she ate one part herself. So total number of parts are 3 and everybody got one part. So this is 1/3. So what is fraction? Fraction is a small equal part of a whole. This equal part is very important. If parts are not equal, we cannot count this as a fraction. So after some time, or you can assume that next day, Shia ordered a pizza. So here how many parts you can see that in a pizza, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the same time you can observe that all the 6 pieces are equally divided. Here I just want to mention, we are not taking the scale or measurement to divide equally, approximate equally, we are talking about the approximate equally. So now Sia ate one part of the pizza. So how much portion she ate? 1 out of 6 part, 1/6 part. After 10 minutes, she ate one more part. So how many parts she ate till now? 2 out of 6, 2/6. And the remaining pieces she kept for parents. So how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 6, 4/6 part she kept for the parents. So now here comes numerator and denominator. So this is numerator and this is denominator. Above the line called is numerator and below the line is known as denominator. So numerator and denominator. What is numerator? Total number of parts consumed by Sia, that is 2, and total number of parts in the pizza is 6. So the fraction will be 2/6. Now take few examples. What fraction of each of the following figure is shaded part? So total number of parts are 3. Out of 3, 2 parts are shaded, so 2/3. Total number of parts are 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12, and out of 12, 5 parts are shaded, so 5/12. Total number of parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and out of 9, 4 parts are shaded, so 4/9. Total number of parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and out of 7, 3 parts are shaded, so 3/7. Write natural numbers from 1 to 12 and what fraction of them are prime numbers. So the natural numbers from 1 to 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. So count this number. So these total natural numbers are 12 in this particular question. Out of this, you are supposed to find out the prime numbers. So which are the prime numbers over here? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So how many prime numbers are there? 5 prime numbers are there in the particular question. So what is the required fraction prime numbers out of given natural number? So 5 by 12 is the answer. May be possible in this question fraction is asked about the composite number. Fraction may ask for multiples of 2, multiples of 3. So different questions may be there. Read the question and solve accordingly. Grade 6, I have made the videos for 5 chapters. So knowing our numbers, 16 parts, whole numbers, 8 parts, playing with numbers, 11 parts, basic geometrical idea is for 4 parts, and understanding elementary shapes is 5 with the 5 parts. Part 1 link is given in the description. Links for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Now how to read and write fraction in words. So this is 1, 3. So we read this as a 1/3. Now this is 2/3, 3/4, 1/5 or 1/5. Which one is correct? Okay. Sometimes here you can see that S is included and sometimes we are not writing S. Why? So here we use the concept. You can see the picture. This is 1 out of 3 parts, 2 out of 3 parts, 3 out of 4 parts and 1 out of 5 parts. So here we can use the concept. We read this one ball, 2 balls. So whenever more than 1 is there, we add S over here. 3 more than 1, so we have added S over here. This is only 1, so no S. This is only 1, so there is no S. One more thing, these numbers are known as cardinal numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This is cardinal numbers, the way we read 1, 2, 3, 1. And the second part is known as ordinal numbers. So ordinal numbers will tell you the order. Third, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth. Means these are the ordinal numbers. And whenever ordinal number, whenever this is more than 1 is there, we add S in ordinal number. Types of fraction. The first one is proper fraction. In symbolically, I have written the numerator is smaller than denominator. So you can define the definition of a proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is smaller than denominator is called a proper fraction. You can take any example by your own where numerator is smaller, 2 by 3, 5 by 7, 3 by 9. So this is your choice. You can write examples by your own. Improper fraction, just opposite. So just change this sign. So now numerator will be greater than denominator. So a fraction whose numerator is greater than denominator is called improper fraction. Again, you can take example by your own where your numerator is greater, 7 by 2, 9 by 4. So like that examples you can write down by your own where your numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. Next is like fraction. Like means what? Same. What is same in the fraction? Denominators. So again you can define the definition. Two or more fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. Fractions, S is there, it means we are talking about two or more than two fractions having the same denominators. We are not talking about the numerator here, we are talking only about the denominators. So write the examples by your own. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 5 by 3. We are just talking about the denominators. Denominators should be same. Unlike fractions, just opposite of like fraction. What is the meaning of unlike? Not same. What is the one word for not same? Different. What is different? Denominators different. So two or more fractions having a different denominator in place of same, actually it should be different. So please do correction. Two or more fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. Let me just do correction over here. So this is different. Different are called unlike fractions. Yeah. So we will go to the next slide. So chapter number 5, understanding elementary shapes. I have created here, I have made here 5 videos on different subtopics. So here you can see the topics and subtopics also. Part 1 link is given in the description. Links for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Now unit fraction, it means n is equal to 1. So whenever your numerator is 1, a fraction whose numerator is 1 is called proper fraction. So again examples you can give by your own. Equivalent fraction, here the word equivalent, we will use the word equivalent. Meaning of equivalent, here the word is equal. So if the fractions are equal, two or more fractions are called equivalent if they have the same value. What is equal? The value is equal. So this is known as equivalent fraction. Example you can take 1 by 2, 5 by 10, 7 by 14. You can see here three different fractions, but when you will convert into simplest form, this will be same. This is half, and this is half. What is simplest form, that I will explain you in my coming videos. So these are the three different fractions, but the value is same. Then such type of fractions are known as equivalent fractions. Mixed fraction, mixed means mixture, or you can say combination. So this is the combination of natural number and proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator will be smaller than denominator. So mixed fraction is the combination of natural number and proper fraction. So such type of fractions is known as mixed fraction, and we write down this as a 2 is to 3 by 4. How do we read? 2 is to 3 by 4. What does it mean? 2 plus 3 by 4, 2 complete parts plus 3/4 part. This combination is known as mixed fraction. So how can we denote this with the figure? These two complete parts, and in this the fourth part we consider only the 3/4 part. So 2 plus 3 by 4. Mixed fraction can be converted into improper fraction, and improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. This also I will explain you in my coming videos. Identify the types of fraction. Many fractions are written over there. You are supposed to find out the fractions and write down your proper fraction. Your numerator is smaller, so find out. Improper fraction, your numerator is greater. Like fractions, where the denominators are same. More than these options are also possible. I have written only few. Unlike fractions, your denominators are different. Unit fraction, when your unit numerator is 1, and equivalent fraction when the value is same. Chapter number 4, basic geometrical ideas. I have made videos on 4 topics. So topics and subtopics are written over here. Part 1 link is given in the description. Links for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Please go through this. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also to watch my next video.